Hello everyone, welcome to our 10 how-to tutorial part 1. If you want to skip to what you're looking for, just go to the description box under this video and click on the timestamps of what you want to learn about. Number 1, how to submit Nearpod activity. Okay, you learned that you have a Nearpod activity assigned for class of math, let's say. So let's go to class of math. We will scroll down and we will go to the upcoming section and we will look for the assignment that says Nearpod. Okay, I have one that says Nearpod right here, time to climb. So I'll click on that independent work assignment. You will get to this page and you can already see that your Nearpod activity is loaded. You need to put your name in where it says name. So put your full name. And this section right here, you can leave that empty. There's no need to put anything in there and you will just join the lesson. Then you will be taken to this slide. Don't click on the next, please. Wait until it loads the activity and wait for it to ask you to change your character. So here I'm going to choose my character. I'm just going to scroll to the right, clicking on this arrow right here and just see what they have available. I think I like this one, so I'll pick this character. Alright, once you chose your character, you can enjoy the music if you wish, and then you just click on Start. And here, this is a gamified time to climb on numbers, so you would just go ahead and do your best and complete this activity. You have to click and choose how do you write the number 560 in words. So I'm not going to reveal the answers to you because this is your independent work, but just choose one and I'll tell you what you do at the end. Okay, so I submitted my activity. I was not clicking on this arrow on the right side. I just allowed Nearpod to take me through the activity and do its own thing. And at the end, you'll get your score. Looks like Ms. Bielova did a pretty good job. These are the points you're gonna get at the end. And your teacher will receive your results on her site. Now, what is really important that you remember after you're done with your Nearpod activity, this is great, you already did this. This is time to climb. This is how it works with time to climb. You're not using this one to get to the next slide. You're just letting the Nearpod to take you through the activity. Now, you are done, okay? If you work on a different Nearpod activity, it's not time to climb, you'll have an icon here that is asking you to submit. So make sure you click on the submit button. Okay, otherwise your teacher will not receive your assignment, but time to climb doesn't have it. It will automatically be reflected on your teacher's account. As you can see, time to climb, it's a unique gamified activity on Nearpod, so it has a little different setup. Let's look at what you need to do after you're done with your Nearpod, and this applies to all the Nearpod activities, no matter what activity you are working on. Maybe you're working on the one that says draw it. I'll show you a picture of that one. Maybe you're working on the one that says multiple choice. Okay, I'll show you a picture of that one. Or maybe you're working on the one that has matching pairs. So if you're working on any of these Nearpod activities, with all of these activities, make sure after you're done and after you clicked on submit at the end of your Nearpod activity, you need to scroll up and go to this section right here where it says submit assignment. It's important that you click on that too, that's outside of Nearpod, and it's within Schoology. Then you will see this box. As you can see, there are 3 options. Upload. This allows you to upload a file that you want to upload that's in your computer. You could also upload an image here if you wish. Now, for this, we need to click on create. And in this box, I'll be able to write a little message from my teacher. I could just write, I finished, miss. Or you could say, this was fun. Just write a little message here because you won't be able to submit it if you leave this empty. And then you will just click on submit. You might be asking, why do I have to do this since I already submitted it in Nearpod? The reason why you need to click on the submit assignment is that after you did that, as you can see, the icon will change to resubmit. This way you will be able to tell if you finish your Nearpod activity or not. So if you just do it within Nearpod and you finish your activity in Nearpod, submitted it to teacher, this button would still show as submit assignment. So you would probably think that you still have to do it. So it's important that you take that extra step, as you always do. We do this with every assignment anyway, that we go to submit assignment. So it's important that you take the same step with Nearpod activity, that you go and submit assignment, write a short message to your teacher, and then you will have this icon change to resubmit, and you will know that you already worked on it. And this is how you submit your Nearpod assignment. 2 steps. 1, submit within your Nearpod. Number 2, submit it in Schoology. I hope you are enjoying working with Nearpod. Number 2, how to check if you have an overdue assignment. So to check if you have any overdue work or any work that you did not turn on time, you will just open your Schoology account. Then you will look to the right side. Right here you will see a section that has title overdue. Here you will find all your assignments that are late or that you have not turned in on time. And if you still would like to turn in that assignment, and those are the instructions you were given by your teacher, then you would just hover your cursor on top of the title of the overdue assignment. You would click on it, and that will take you to the course where you can complete it. And this is how you find your overdue late assignments in Schoology. Number 3, how to check if you submitted your assignment. Okay, so if you want to know if you already submitted your assignment and you're not really sure if you did it, because I'm sure that can happen to anyone, that we forget if we already did that one, especially if we have many assignments for the week. So what you do in that situation is you would just go to the particular class that you are wondering about if you already finished your assignment, and you would scroll down and find your assignment section. And let's say I'm wondering about if I finished my discussion question. So let's click on that assignment and see what happens. So when you scroll down to look at your assignment, you will see that you already posted your assignment. It will have a date and a time, what time you worked on your assignment. If you haven't done it, your box will be empty and you will not see your reply here. Now let's go back and look at another assignment to see how it's going to look on different type of assignment, because this was a discussion question. Now let's say, what if I click on time to climb? You will see that if you submitted it, it's going to tell you assignment submitted, and it will also give you an option to resubmit it if you want to change your answers or maybe add more details to it. Now let's go back and see again one more time different type of assignment that you could have. Here we have an assignment that says drag and drop number form independent work. This one is the one that has document attached to it. So as you know, to get to the document, you would have to click on my document, and then you would have to allow your Google Drive to open it for you. But if you see that you have here icon that says resubmit, that means you have already worked on it. If it says submit assignment, that means you still have to work on it. Now I wanted to also bring attention to the one that you see here on the right side that says edit. This button we will not be using. Students don't have to use this edit button for their assignments, so just don't use this at all. You will only use this one to submit your assignment. And this is how you would check to see if your work was turned in. Number 4, how to submit your My Document assignment. So if you find an assignment that takes you to this screen, and you will see one button that says assignment and then the other one says My Document, that means this assignment has an attached file to it. So I will just go ahead and click on My Document. I will wait for this to load, and you will see your document right in front of you. You might have to log in first and allow your Google Drive to open your document if it's the first time you're using this. But for us, I think we should all be logged in and able to open the document without taking that step. So now you are ready to work on your assignment. So you would just, if you need to, you can always zoom closer to your template or worksheet that you're working on, and then you will just follow instructions and read carefully what you need to do. Once you're done with your assignment, then you would just click on Submit Assignment. Remember, we don't click on Edit. We will just look at the Submit Assignment and send that to teacher. Also, it's important that you check and make sure that the assignment you're working on has your name on it. and that you will see right in this section. It would mention your name. And this is how you would submit your My Document assignment. Number 5, how to get translate subtitles under YouTube video. Okay, let's say this is the video. I want to turn on my auto translate subtitles. I will need to go to the subtitles closed captions icon, turn that on, and then I need to move on to the settings icon. Here you need to again select subtitles. And as you can see here, we have an option to auto translate, and you will find the language that you want all the information in the video to be translated to. So let's say you want it to be in Spanish. You scroll down until you find the language Spanish. You will select it. And if you play the video, you will notice that the content in the video is automatically translated to the language that you chose. So this is how you turn on the auto translate subtitles in YouTube video. Number 6, how to switch language in your Chrome browser to English. Okay, so if you notice that your Google Forms and your Google Slides are being translated into Spanish and you need it to be in English, you need to change the settings of your Chrome browser. To do that, we'll go ahead and move on to these 3 dots that we have in the right top corner. We'll click on it, and then you will find the word that says Configuración. Then we'll scroll down and select Configuración Avanzada. And here you can see the idioma. As you can see, mine, just for the purpose of demonstration, is in Español. So to change that, we will have to click on this arrow that's facing downwards, and it's going to open this for me. Now, as you can see, it says Español is the one que Google Chrome se muestra en este idioma. Now I need to change that to English. So I'm just going to go to the one that says Inglés, and I will click again on those 3 dots. And I will select this box because I want Google Chrome mostrar en ese idioma. Click on that, and then you will see that the language that now I have selected is Inglés. Now, before you close this, you need to reiniciar, relaunch this, otherwise your settings will not be applied. So click on reiniciar. And when you scroll down to languages again, you will see that your language is English, and the whole browser, all your options in your settings will automatically be changed to English. So this is how you change your language in your Chrome browser. Number 7, how to switch language in Schoology to English. Okay, so if your Schoology account is still set up in Spanish, we highly recommend that you switch it to English. That way your navigating through the platform is easier because you are seeing the terms that we are using in the classroom. So to change your language from Spanish to English, as you can see, I have it right now in Spanish. I just need to scroll down. Right here on the right hand side, you see this bar. I will scroll all the way to the bottom. And here on the left hand side in the corner, you see that it says Español. I'll click on that and I'll change that to English. And I will select Guardar. And now my toolbar is in English. This is how you change the language in Schoology. Number 8, how to find replies from your teacher on your work. Okay, so to find replies from your teacher and find messages from your teacher, you will head on to the bell that you see right here on top, and you will just click on it and you will read the message that your teacher sent you. Maybe she replied to the comment you left for discussion question, or maybe she even posted a grade. So here you will find comments from your teacher or grades that she posted for your assignments. Now, if you head on to this one, you will see that this one will have an email for you. So there are 2 notification places. One is for email, and this one is for the replies that you get from your teacher or grade that she posted. And this is how you find notifications sent to you from your teacher. Number 9, how to insert a picture into your assignment. Okay, so if your assignment is to take a picture of your work and send it to teacher in Schoology, this is what you would do. Go to Submit Assignment, and here you have icon that says upload. You'll have to click on this where it says file, and then you'll find your picture that you want to upload, select it, and then you'll have it attached here, and you would just click on submit. This is one of the ways that you can do this. Let me show you the other way. So let's remove this one for now. Now the other way is that you could click on this icon where it says audio video recording, and you could just take a 1-second short video. So this is where you go to insert an audio, but we want to send a picture to teacher. So we would click on this one, and I'm just going to take my work that I want to send a picture of to my teacher, and I would position myself and then scroll down and start recording just for a second. Stop. And then as you can see, this is a fairly good picture that you can insert to Schoology. So you just click on insert recording, and there it is. You can also write a comment and submit it. And this is how you insert a picture into your Schoology assignment. Number 10, how to work on Google Slide assignment. Okay, so let's say that this is the assignment. I need to work on this on Google Slides. I will first go into Zoom it because I need to see it better. And then you will see that these have boxes. So when you click on that where it says type your word here, all you need to do is backspace and erase that text, and you'll start writing what your teacher wants you to write. You need to write a blend, okay, that has curves, so I can do crab, okay. And if you want to change the color, you would just select the word, and then you would go into the one that says text color, that's right up here, and then you will change it to the color that you like. And you will do the same thing with the next one. Again, you click on that section, you will see the text is inside of a box. So you just again select it if you want to and backspace it, or just simply click and backspace until you erase it all. Now be careful not to erase and remove this text box. You always need to keep that one there. You can play around with this if you want to, let's say, change the background of this box. You could also do that. Like if you want to highlight it for teacher, you could just make sure that you have it selected, and then you will just go to this and click on it, and let's say you want it to be yellow, and that will fill the box and it's going to be highlighted. And I can always write in it still, okay? Again, if you want to change the text color, you go to the ribbon and select the color that you like to use. You have many other options that you can play around here with. You could also insert a picture. So you just go to insert image, and you can insert one that you have from your computer. You also have an option to use camera here. So if you click on that, that's going to take a picture of you, and that will be inserted into your Google Slide. So this has many tools that you can play around. I recommend that you just check them out and see what else you can do. After you're done with your work, you just click on submit assignment, and this is how you work on Google Slide assignment. All right, everyone, I hope this helps you all, and if you need another how-to, just write it in the comment section below. We will deliver answer to you. Remember, we love you very much. Bye, everyone.